crazy mods, insane pranks, weird glitches. The end portal wasn't complete, but it still worked. And the clips get crazier as the video goes on till we get to the best clips of the video.
I have absolutely no idea what's going on.
The wood lit before you could craft the flint and steel. The unlucky one.
Oh no! Please clip that in your head.
The overexcited one. He was super happy about these bees.
Why can't I make it my friend? Can I make bee friends like this?
He tried killing the chicken.
Stay away from me!
Where are you? Oh, finally.
What? You jumped all the way. You did. You fell. You fell. You dookie. You dookie.
Right back at you.
Ah! Nice shot.
Yo, those snipes, dude.
The rage quitter.
What? What?
Bruce?
What?
Let him up.
Excusez-moi. Nani?
I'll use the TNT.
But why? No! I didn't want to look, bro.
This guy found two ruined portals right next to each other.
Wait, is that 2 in 1? Is that 2 on top of each other? What the?
I haven't seen him yet. I almost ran off the island. Don't run forward.
I went backwards then.
You idiot!
Oh no.
Oh! He's so good at the game. Oh my god.
Now the clips get even crazier. He found a bow with 0 durability.
Yeah, that bow had 0 durability. What's going on there? This shouldn't exist. This is rare.
The end portal wasn't complete, but it still worked.
Bedrock here.
Oh my god, gamers react.
They didn't know how to use the elevator despite having clear instructions.
Fundy's gone.
It literally says what you gotta do.
Sneak, go down. What does that mean? Jump, go.
Oh.
The fortune teller. He was lying to his mate and it came true.
I see a village right here.
Lies. You do?
Yeah.
Is there a cool hill above it?
Yeah, it's actually like a big mountain range. Chat, the fact that I hadn't even rendered and I just called that.
Oh, I do see it now.
Check out this really satisfying moment.
Oh.
Okay.
Run. Run. Run.
This happened on my Minecraft server, play.gamersreact.net. Go play right now.
Alright, so someone told me to IS Warp Super, because apparently it has some like cool stuff on it. But like, I mean, that's kind of cool. Wait. Oh my god. Did I just get rickrolled by a Minecraft server? No way.
When you actually kill a friend,
Go back, Tommy.
I'm just invisible.
Ninja! Did you just kill Ninja? No, he said give him a pat on the back!
The enemy teleported behind her and she fell for it.
Hey, Swims! Are you just gonna snowball me to death? Hi, Jimmy! Oh! What?
He had to trade with the villager at build height, so he used this insane trick.
Oh my gosh. So they're gonna try to open it up. What? Oh my gosh.
He forgot where his villager went despite being right next to him.
Where did my Mason villager go?
Hey!
Oh, he's in the minecart. Right. So I'm an idiot.
These Endermen tore down its protection to kill him.
Come here!
Oh no! Oh no 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 no.
Noted. Do not build it out of dirt.
He got in the same portal as his mates and this happened.
3, 2, 1, go.
Hey! I don't see you guys! Wait, Foolish, where are you?
Wait, no, it's a different world.
Yeah, it is. It's a different world. Yeah.
Please don't kill me. Please don't kill me. Sorry, dude. I'm sorry I screamed.
Somehow he fell through the ground.
Get out of my bed. Here we go. Perfect. I think I will make it in time. Oh! Oh!
These are the best clips of the video. Subscribe. Using commands, he got these witches to join his team. He made an undying wolf pack.
So cute! So cute!
He made fake TNT so that he could prank his friends with it.
Ay, caramba! Ay, caramba!
This Squid Game glass bridge is really cool. Check this out. The roof of a build completely changes the look of it.
Incredible.
This is a super easy way to get the Sniper Duel achievement. Bye-bye.